guys, welcome back. We are going to get started on our next animal in the ocean. Can you guess what our animal can be? Now we've already talked about sharks, so it can't be a shark. I'll give you a hint. It has 8 arms. Octopus, of course. Alright, so in our packet, you're going to need your octopus highlighting page, your octopus facts. These are things you can gather. We get to make this really cool octopus puppet, so you'll need this coloring page. And if you aren't following along with our packet, if you look up octopus puppet on the internet, it will give you this. And you'll also need a little grocery bag that I gave you in your packet too, so we can make that little puppet. Okay, so these are the things we're going to need for our lesson. And then I have this little octopus book for you. Our ocean waves are just a little too loud today, aren't they? Very stormy, I guess, today at the ocean. All right, so we're going to read this book called Octopuses and Squid, because they kind of are in the same kind of family. Now, octopus has 8 legs, and a squid has 6, so we'll talk about that. But we really want to focus more on the octopus today, and not the squid, okay? All right, so we might do some skipping around since this is nonfiction, and we just want to know about the octopus. All right, it says an octopus, they're part of the mollusk family, along with squid, clams, and snails. An octopus is a cool creature with 8 long arms, and we knew that. So if you look closely at this one, you can count all 8 arms, those tentacles, the arms. Okay? Let me show you this picture. Look at him inside the clamshell. Let's see what it says. Octopus have soft bodies with no backbones. They're invertebrate, which means they're kind of squishy. If I took an octopus and kind of let it go, it doesn't have any bones to help it stand up. They're very squishy, which makes it easy to get it into small spaces. This one hides in a shell. It can squeeze its soft body into very small spaces. So that's what he's doing. So if you've ever seen like an octopus little video or something, and I think I'm going to put one on our playlist, that's really cool. But they can get very quickly inside like a cave or coral and hide very quickly because their bodies are so squishy. Yeah. An octopus is a cool creature with 8 arms and can swim very fast. Octopus can swim 25 miles an hour. So that's like a car going pretty good, 25 miles an hour. They can eat, ready? This is a good fact. They can eat fish, crabs, turtles, and even a dead shark. Look at them eating a dead shark. That's pretty disgusting. Yeah. I didn't know they ate dead food, so that's interesting to me. Let's see. It can use its long arms to grab food. So they use those tentacles to grab their food. They can also use it to twist. I've seen a video where an octopus can twist a cap right off of a jar. They're pretty smart too. An octopus is a cool creature with 8 long arms that can hide. Some octopus can change colors and blend in with their surrounding, kind of like a chameleon. If he wants to hide in that sandy colored rocks and stuff and sand, he can change to that color. Now the video I was telling you about that I'm going to put on our playlist, they can change their shape and size and color to blend in and look like other animals and scare other creatures. Octopus predators. Who eats an octopus? It says moray eels, you know those eels like in Little Mermaid, a whale, a dolphin, and a shark will eat an octopus. It can squirt ink and scare away predators. So here's that ink cloud, right? And it's just really so he can escape. He squirts the ink in a big cloud and then runs away or swims away. Squids, this one's all about the squid, so we're going to skip that one. But I'll let you see the difference. It says squid also have 2 feeding tentacles that are even longer than their arms. So they do have 8 arms, but 2 are shorter. Yeah. We'll show you a squid. That's a squid. Their shapes are a little different. So they really do have 8, 6, and then 2 shorter ones. All right, let me see if there's any more octopus page. Okay, yeah, this one is. says octopus and squid are cool. They clap your two hands for those amazing creatures of the sea. There are hundreds of different kinds of octopus and squid. So here's all the different kinds. Did you think there was only one that looked like this? Yeah, but there's not. Look, this one's yellow and blue. There's one that's shaped like a star. Look at that. Wow, there's even more than I thought there were. Okay, I think that's it. All right, so on your page, you'll need your highlighter. You're going to try to get some facts, and it says, we're looking for the main idea, like what's the story mostly about, and then you're going to find 2 facts that you learned, and then you get to write your opinion. Do you like octopus, or if you don't like octopus, and why? Don't forget the why part. Okay, so that's your task. Now, let's listen for the main idea. Remember I said it's usually that first sentence, and it tells what the story's all about. Okay, so listen. Octopus are very interesting animals. Do you think that's going to be about interesting animal, the octopus? Yeah, it's that first sentence. It usually is in these passages. All right, they do not have a skeleton. That's a good fact. Do not have a skeleton. And they have 8 legs. I don't think you can talk about an octopus without saying that they have eight legs. That's super important to know. All octopus are very venomous. What's venomous mean? Yeah, that means poisonous. So you definitely want that word venomous. Except for one group, so most of them. Can you say all octopus are poisonous? No. You can say most octopus are poisonous. They also have many ways that they can defend themselves. You remember what they can do? They can spray ink, they can camouflage, and they can move very quickly. Get out of there fast. They have 8 arms and legs. Arms, you knew that. And giant octopus can usually get to be 7 feet long. So that's longer than a grown man. Most grown men, like Mr. Zerbal or Mr. Needham, are 6 feet. And octopus can be about 7 feet. 7 feet. So if we laid them on the floor, it's like a grown man's size. That's how long they are. Does that make sense? And look at that big head right here. Yeah, their body. And there's their eyeball right there. Right? Yeah. And there's their tentacles. Alright, so find some information in here. Read it through again. The main idea was, we did it together. Octopus are very amazing or interesting animals. Remember? 2 facts, and then your opinion. If you like them, or if you don't like them, and tell me why. So that's what you're going to be doing. And then I need you to color and cut this octopus. Now the good thing is, a lot of kids ask me, well, can I color it pink? Can I color it red? The good news is, you can color it whatever color you want. But you color and cut this part, and color and cut this part. This top part, we've done this many times before. I don't think I have my scissors today. I don't see them. Oh, here they are. I'm going to cut this and talk about it. Remember, when you're making a puppet, when you put the head on, you got to be really careful, because if you glue it shut, it's not going to be able to be really a puppet, is it? We've done that before when it doesn't really work that well. Okay. So first thing you have to do is make sure that when you do this, hello, it makes a puppet. Your hand goes in there, okay? And the face is going to get glued on this part. So when you talk, it talks. And then the bottom part, of course, you're going to cut and put on the bottom half so he can talk. All right? That's just a little fun little puppet for you to make. And you're going to glue it on your seaweed. The green, I can't find anything today. On your green seaweed as we add animals to your ocean. Remember? Okay. All right, well, that's our lesson for today about octopus. I'm going to use my conch shell. Yeah, okay. All right, yeah, yeah. Oh, they said come back tomorrow and learn about a new animal. Oh, okay, yeah, all right. I'll see you later. All right, gotta go. Bye. All right, you know what to do. Keep learning.